Now at the Chicago O'Hare airport, we're waiting for our connecting flight to LA. So my mom was eyeing this pizza. I could tell. She was like, she really wanted a piece. So this is a Chicago style pizza. My mom said you shouldn't leave Chicago without trying it. Reggio's Chicago style pizza, famous butter crust. Pepperoni, I guess it's deep dish? Deep dish pizza. I haven't been to Chicago in years. Let's give their pizza a try. Last time I was here, I was 14. September 1994. That's throwing it back. Good morning, you guys. Happy Halloween. Happy Wednesday. My husband said that this right here is a good Halloween costume. Anyway, he's just kidding. But yeah, so I've been kind of like in not really hibernation, but I've just been in like a cleaning mode, trying to unpack, trying to get back on track with work and just responding to emails, editing, uploading, and just completing Vlogtober, which today is the very last day of Vlogtober. Also trying to catch up with sleep because even though we were on vacation, we really did not take it easy. We made sure we were up by like 5 or 6 in the morning and we were out for like 12 hours each day. And I think the very last day or so, I mean, we really didn't get much sleep. I was gonna dress up for Halloween in this Wonder Woman shirt costume that I saw at Walmart, but I'm pretty sure it's probably gone already. So I am gonna dress up later. Hopefully we'll get some trick-or-treaters because the last year I think the 2 years ago I think there were like 2, and then last year there were none. It's now 5:30 p.m. I thought I would have time to run errands, go pick up candy, and then be back by this time, but that's not what happened. That's exactly the opposite. I ended up spending the whole afternoon just attending to emails, editing today's video for Vlogtober day 31. My husband, he's on the way home already, so I asked him if he could just pick up a bag of candy because I kind of doubt that anybody's even gonna ring the doorbell, but I at least want to be prepared and have candy for them. This is our bucket of candy. So we have Almond Joy, Snickers. Hubs got this because he knows I love Almond Joys, and he got the peanut butter Snickers because this is what he likes. And nobody doorbelled yet. It's already 7 o'clock. Okay, happy Friday night, you guys. So, we're here in North Hollywood.
Here we go!
Congratulations, Casey. She's so super talented, and I thought it was pretty cool. She actually had a reference in one of her songs. There was a reference to Darren and us still living across the street. We are at, I guess it's called The Stand. Sorry, it's not like the best video quality, but my vlog camera, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's either the battery is dead or there's something wrong with the vlog camera, so I'm not quite sure, but Hubs and I are just having a much needed quality time dinner to ourselves because we haven't actually done that since I came back from New York. I ended up getting the French onion burger, well done with fried onions. It's sweet potato fries, and Hubs has the ABC burger, which is like their #1, right? Number 1 here. We've never been here before, so this is exciting. We're trying something different. It's now 10:46 p.m. I'm editing some videos for tomorrow. Also working on a video for my aunt. But I didn't really give you guys feedback on the burger place called The Stand. The food was really good. It was just, I don't know if we were just hungry or what, but I mean, the bread, I think it's like brioche bread, and it was so fluffy. The meat was so good for the 2 burgers and sweet potato fries, and we didn't even have a drink. We just had water. It was like $27, so it is a little bit pricey. It is also in Calabasas, but it was definitely a really good place to check out. They also have a really interesting brunch menu, so I was telling my husband that we should definitely go check out brunch there one time. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I'm just gonna be working the rest of the night. Oh, thank you so much, honey. Hubs got me my tea. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching the weekly vlog, for watching just all of the vlogs and the videos. Truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys had a really great weekend, and I'm gonna try to I'm really gonna try to get back on with uploading the videos or uploading the vlogs regularly, or weekly, I mean. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Have an amazing, positive week ahead.